available.
You're crazy.
Crazy. You're cute too. Jake.
Sing it. Destiny, how are you faring?
I'm faring very well. I am getting to make wine for my friend Jade, which I know very well now, and he's trading me flowers so I can have more flowers in my area. Yeah. And Meredith is having another breakdown. Tribal. Yeah. Flowers. I get plastic flowers. Just like this. No technology that works. No bars. I want my daddy. I will try. What's going on today?
I would say when I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be star, I wanna be a movie. When I grow up, I wanna see the world, drive my cars, I wanna have movies. When I grow up, be on TV, people know me, be on magazines. When I grow up, dress me clean, number one hit, wanna step out on the scene. I'm getting old, so much to look for, so just try and get it. Just try and get it. Just try and get it. Just so much to look for, so just try and get it.
And how to make wine.
I made that wine.
And obviously you learned how to bake. Yeah, I learned how to bake.
Hello everyone. My challenge is I picked some delicious blueberries. Now, when I picked these, I learned so much because, well, Jay taught me. And I have these, and I learned how to weave this. And, well, not weave, but make it. And I picked some flowers.
I picked some flowers.
Thanks.
Now I've got a confession. When I was young, I wanted attention. I promised myself that I'd do anything. Anything else but then to notice. But I ain't complaining. We all wanna be famous. So go ahead and say what you want to say. You know what it's like to be famous. Wanna know what to name it. See what I would say, when I grow